Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Jeep Compass Limited, stock reference number 4841. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door also appears to have no damage, left rear factory alloy 18-inch mag, good tyre, left tail light, tailgate has a couple of small dents, less the spoiler, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door one small dent, and a right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, have a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.